guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you a step-by-step on how to bring your LHS extensions back to life. The hair I'll be using is our LHS Luxe Natural Wave from my Raw Hair collection. I'm going to be showing you the products I'll be using throughout the process before we begin. For step 1, you're going to take a single weft and fold them over each other until they form a bundle like this. This is to minimize the hair from being tangled during the washing process. Now you're going to slowly brush the hair from the bottom to the top until all the knots and tangles are removed. For step 2, you're going to fill the sink with lukewarm water as you pour the shampoo of your choice. You just want to make sure that it's color safe shampoo that doesn't contain parabens, sulfate, and alcohol. For step 3, you're going to want to wash each weft of the hair extension, holding the top of the weft in one hand, slowly dipping it into the lukewarm water, and washing gently with light strokes. Avoid scrubbing the hair because this will create damage to the hair extension. I also like to finger comb each bundle during the process to keep them detangled. Next, you're going to empty the sink as we begin to rinse the shampoo out of the bundle with lukewarm water. Next, you're going to apply the conditioner to the bundle and let it sit for the recommended time of 1 hour. If you don't have the time, 10 to 20 minutes will be good enough. After, you will need to thoroughly rinse the conditioner out the hair to ensure that there's no product left on the bundle. As a side note, if you happen to purchase your raw hair from Luxury Hair Silhouette, every order is co-washed before shipping. For the final step to get the best results and keep your hair extensions healthy, I recommend hanging them to dry. You will need to allow your hair to air dry for 24 hours. Now this is what your hair extension should look like after you've completed every step. If you want to check out my LHS Raw collection, all the details are listed in my description below. Thanks for watching, like this video, and subscribe to my channel for all your